Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be unboxing the welcome pack that I got from Entelect. So, after you have worked hard for so many years, you have studied computer science, you're out of university, you got your job at Entelect. So what does Entelect send you as a welcome pack? So, I've got two parcels that I received. First, I've got this box. It's more like a passport. I'll show you why I'm calling it like a passport. Let's keep this on the side. And then I've got this bag. I'm gonna keep the bag on the side and let's start with the box. So you can see on this box, it's a very creative box that they've created. So on the front side, you can see all the countries that Entelect has its headquarters in. So it's an international company. You can see they have a headquarters in United Kingdom, they've got headquarters in Zimbabwe, they've got headquarters in the Netherlands, Australia, South Africa, and New Zealand. So they've mentioned all the countries that they have headquarters in. And then on the other side, you can see here we got different stamps of different countries that we have visited. Very creative. And then on this side, this is so cool. You can see the immigration marks. We have been to different country. So let's see what you got in the box. Cool. The unboxing is very much like a luggage. I'm opening a luggage. Cool. As we unbox, first in there we got a stress ball. I guess being a software engineer is a very stressful job. So when you get angry, when you don't know how to debug your code, when you're struggling with the work, just keep pressing, get all your anger out here so you don't go home and trouble your friends and family, I guess. So yeah, you got a ball here. Then there's this little box in here. Looks more like a Lego in there. But let's see. Let's open and see what's in there. So as I open this, I see, yep, there is some Lego. Oh, that's very creative. Let's open this. As I open this, they've got first two blocks of Legos with my name embedded on it. And they got a mini me here. They kind of did a good job with this. Does that look like me? Comment down in the comment box. The hair, the glasses, and the beard. Cool. Let's go and put this together. Cool. That's a mini me. I guess I put this here, right? And they've given a magnifying glass. Looks like for more details, zoom into your code. Let's give it in the hand. Hey, the mini me struggling to get this in the hand. Cool. What do you guys think? Does that look like me? Cool. Very creative Entelect. I'm gonna keep mini me on the side here. Cool. And then here I got a name badge which says my name here. So just to keep it on my desk so people can know that's me. And then here I got a book. Beautiful. It's blue in color. That's what Entelect's logo is. And as we open, we got some information here. Okay. Oh, very creative. We got this book which is signed by the CEO himself. He writes a lovely messages. It's a really good book which you can use to keep track of what work you're going to do, works that you have done, pending work, and etc. etc. Yep. And then we have got this. So we have got our access card. This is just to enter the machine. I enter into the company. This is just something that you can stick on your fridge. A command. Great. Entelect is very creative with the UI UX. Let's keep on the side. Here, let's see what you got here. Cool, just some information about Entelect, what Entelect is, and all that. Just due to some personal reasons and personal information, I cannot show this. I'm just gonna keep this on the side. Same thing goes with this document. This is kind of like all the information that you need to know, as well as your Wi-Fi passwords and everything. So I'm gonna keep it on the side. That's all, nothing in this. And then, as you go on, great, something that interests me. Plain chocolate bar. So they give us chocolates. It's like a small dessert. We need dessert. We need. Wow, they welcome you to the family. So there we go. And then we got some cards here which explains the 42 principle. Intelect's got something called a 42 principle that they follow within the company. So yeah, this is all that. Then we got a small box. That looks like a phone stand. Let's see what it is. Oh, great. It's like a wooden piece that you can use to hold your phone so you don't lose it. I don't have my phone. I would have shown you by putting my phone because I'm shooting a video with it. So yeah, there you go. The thing's gonna stay on my desk from now on. Okay, then what do we got here? Cool, we got a mini bag, I guess. Yep, you can store whatever you need to store, carry around, and with Entelect name here. Cool, let's keep this on the side. Cool, coming the creative stuff. Let's see what you got here. Looks like an Entelect t-shirt. Since Entelect is all blue, we can see the blue color. Let's quickly grab this out of the plastic. How do I open this? There we go. Cool. Here we can see the t-shirt itself. Let me stand up so they can see properly. Alright, that's the t-shirt that Entelect gave with his slogan, everything is possible. Cool, let's keep that on the side. And then see, what else have you got here? Cool, you got your lens wipes. That's gonna work out perfectly for me. I'm wearing glasses. Or you can use it to clean your screen. I don't know, can you use it to clean your screen? What do you guys think? But yeah, this is what you can use to clean your lenses for your glasses. Let's see what else we got here. We got some lanyard, so hold your cards, whatever if you need to. Hey, mini-me just fell down. Put you on the side. Cool. What else we got? Looks like a jacket. How do I open you? See, there's no way to open. I guess I am gonna open from here. As you can see, as we open the jacket, sorry, but I'm used to this. The quality of the jacket is really good. So it's gonna keep you warm in winter. We can see this is the first Essence jacket, and it's a really cool one. Wow, great job, Entelect. You can see, can't wait to put this on. Black in color, green Entelect written here. Cool, t-shirt, a jacket. Let's keep on this one on side. Oh, and finally, the most important thing, I guess the pen, right? Because the pen is mightier than the sword. You can use this to take your notes, write down your daily tasks. I'm gonna put it with the diary here. Let me quickly move this to one side so we can finally open the pack and see what's in it. Cool. I'm gonna put the box on the side. And finally, the bag. Cool. Let's see. The bag also feels like a very good quality with Entelect logo. What have you got here? You got a chain, you can keep your stuff here. You got another chain. Okay, this looks like two different compartments. Now let's open the main compartment and see what have you got here. Cool. Something that the software engineers cannot live without. It's a laptop. It's a Dell G15 laptop, right? With a 512 gigabyte of SSD, right? And a Ryzen processor. Looks like a gaming laptop. Cool. So I guess you can work and game together. Lovely. It's a really beautiful laptop, to be honest. I don't know if it's grey or metallic grey or white. What color is this? But yeah, to be honest, this looks beautiful. Okay, can't wait to game on this. Shh. And also code, obviously. And what this? Here's a charger. Damn, what has Entelect done here? This is a really heavy brick. Trust me, it weighs more than me. It feels like Dell. If you're listening to this, make this smaller. Yeah, that's what you got when you onboard at Entelect. Hey, stop. Don't go yet. I've got some exciting news for you. If you're about to graduate, or if you're a graduate, or if you're a junior, if you're an intermediate, if you're a senior, be it a software engineer, be it a full stack engineer, be it a data scientist, AI engineer, business analyst, reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'm going to put my LinkedIn profile in the description below. Don't hesitate. Reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'll be happy to refer you to Entelect. Please reach out to me on LinkedIn and then we can talk further. Also, if you would like to see what Entelect office looks like, click on the link that's going to be shown to you on the right corner and go and have a look at what Entelect looks like. Also, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like and also comment what kind of videos you would like to see in future. Until then, keep studying and peace.